Welcome to Beater Box Friday. Make sure you stick around because there's a giveaway in this video. I'm doing a giveaway with a very good friend of mine. We're giving away a beater box. So stick around for the deets on the... What's the shortened version of giveaway? No. Just start the stupid video. That's me fighting all the negative vibes, brah. Hi, I'm SBmitch. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram at the handle on your screen right now, and below that is my website, SBmitch.com. That's where you can find all the shoes that we're unboxing in this Sole Supremacy beater box for sale today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, along with many other shoes from other boxes because stuff sits during this time of year because no one wants to spend their money. Hello, pals. I said in the intro, I guess we want to call that an intro, that there's a giveaway. Guess what? There is indeed a giveaway. I am doing a giveaway with very good friend Swazy Da Plug. We've linked up at SneakerCon Cleveland a couple times. We actually unboxed a beater box on stage at SneakerCon Chicago this past fall. So that was pretty cool. So here's how to enter the giveaway for a $350 Sole Supremacy beater box on me and Swazy, because we're nice guys. So today he's going to be releasing a video on his channel. You can find the link to his channel down below in the video description. So what you're going to need to do is make sure you're subscribed to my channel, subscribe to his channel, watch his video that's coming out today, and be sure to comment on his video. Don't comment on this video because then you won't be entered. You need to go to Swazy's page, comment on the video that he's releasing today to be entered. It starts today, which is the 24th, and ends next Friday, the 31st, and one lucky person will be winning a $350 Sole Supremacy beater box on us. That is if you're in the US. If you're outside of the US, we will contact you and try to figure something else out because you can't ship a gigantic 24 by 18 by 18 box internationally. So we'll figure something out if you're not in the continental United States. So reminder, go down below into the video description, find the link for Swazy's channel, wait for him to release a video today, and comment on that video to be entered to win a $350 Sole Supremacy beater box. But we're opening this beater box that's next to me, and it's from Sole Supremacy too. This one was $1,225 plus $40 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of $1,265. Hey look, it's a counter. Its name is clearance. It's going to be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market based on size, condition, and other various factors like if it has the box or if the paint is chipping. You know, that kind of stuff. And then we're going to break down the entire box at the end of the video to show you how much I paid versus how much the box is worth on the secondary market. So let's open the box and see what's going on in here. All right, this box looks packed. Okay, we got an Ultra Boost box. Excuse me. We have a size 9.5 Ultra Boost M. Oh, this looks like the OG Ultra Boost 1.0, whatever. Yep, that's what it is. These are worn. There's a lot of drag on the outsole. But there you go. The Ultra Boost OG colorway with the like royal blue purple heel cups. It's got the 1.0 details on the toe box. A little bit of drag, especially on the forefoot right here. So I don't know, maybe there's some money in here. People still love Boost. Don't ask me why, because I have no idea. 9.5. Ultra Boost OG is your first shoe out. If you're interested in that shoe or any other shoe in the video, SBmitch.com today at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Next up, a size 8. Nike React Element 87. Whoa, okay, cool. So this is one of the original two colorways of the React Element 87. This is the sale colorway. This shoe was, you can take it with a grain of salt, but this shoe was voted the shoe of the year last year by Complex Sneakers, which isn't really saying much, but that's just one of the facts that I know about this shoe. So these were at one time going for a lot of money. These are worn. You can see a little bit of dirt on the outsole, but it's got this like transparent upper, cork insole. It's definitely a summer shoe because whatever you're wearing underneath the shoe, you can see through it. So if your sock game is on point, these are actually really cool. So size 8, great size for these. React Element 87 in the sale colorway. Wow, okay, cool. Let's keep going. We got a Kobe. Got a size 8 Kobe 4 Protro, which is a retro of the original Kobe 4. Yep, this is the, I want to say it was the first one. This is the Black Del Sol colorway. Very Lakers inspired. Oh no, these are Carpe Diem, because it says Carpe Diem right there on the tongue. So these are Carpe Diem Kobe 4 Protros. They're very lightly worn. I mean, there's very little outsole wear. Insoles look really good. There's a little bit of sock lint that I'm gonna get out of there with a shaver, so see a little bit of toe box greasing, but yeah. I mean, it's a Kobe 4 that's updated with a little bit of technology, so great basketball shoe from what I understand. Size 8, Kobe 4 Protro Carpe Diem, which is Latin for seize the carp. Next up, we have a size 13 Nike Air Force 270. No, we do not. Oh, okay. So this is a collaboration with, I want to say, Shoe Palace on a Nike Warachi. It's the 25th anniversary Warachi Shoe Palace collaboration. They were limited to 500 pairs. This actually is pair number 456 out of 500. I mean, it's this basic silver Warachi. It is dead stock. They just don't have the original box. I don't know why, but yeah. I actually hit a pair of these and had to return them. Oops, sorry, Mike. I actually hit a pair of these and had to return them because the quality was so bad, but this looks to be good. So there you go, 13, so it's the right size, size 13. Warachi 25th anniversary collaboration with Shoe Palace. Next up, size 8, Nike React Element 55 KL, Kendrick Lamar. It's another worn pair. It's the React Element 55 collaboration with Kendrick Lamar. It's got this like kinda, I don't even know what that is. Is that like moon craters all over it? Very interesting shoe. Subtle but loud at the same time. Speckled midsole. Interesting upper. Slick looking shoe. Another great size. Just a little bit of outsole wear, so not too bad. But there you go. Size 8, Kendrick Lamar. React Element 55s. I don't know if those have any value. I don't know. Kendrick Lamar stuff is usually hit or miss. Size 8, NMD C1 Trail. Well, there you go. It's trail sole on an NMD like mid, it looks like. These are dead stock. These are unworn. It's got a leather heel cup, full like mesh canvas upper. I don't know what to think about these. These are weird, but there you go. I mean, it's simple. It's got a trail sole, size 8. I don't know anything about these shoes because I don't pay attention to Adidas because I'm a Nike guy. That's just all there is to it. There you go. Probably a throw-in. A lot of shoes in this box. 2 Nike SB boxes. Let's do it. First up, we have a size 8.5 Nike Dunk Low Pro Premium DLS. That means De La Soul. This is the 2015, right? Yeah, 2015, kind of retro, I guess you could say, of the De La Soul Dunk. But it was a high when they released it, like 2005 or something. But it's a De La Soul low. Very loud, very interesting upper. Not a huge fan of the colorway itself. A little bit of heel drag going on, which is normal for SBs. A little bit of star loss around the forefoot, but otherwise great shape, awesome size too. And as you guys probably know, SBs are like super hot right now. So 7 or 8.5. 8.5 is a pretty decent size. Man, all the sizes are really good in this box. De La Soul Dunk Low. Very interesting, huh? Cool. Another Nike SB release. Got a teal box. Nike Dunk High Pro SB in a size 8.5. Ooh, okay. Huh. So this is a release that came out, no one cared about, and then all of a sudden everyone started caring about recently. This is a Nike Dunk High. These are called Cherry Blossom. You can see the Cherry Blossom upper all over the upper. I don't know what these are meant to commemorate, because cherry blossoms grow all around the world, so can't really complain. Full canvas upper, so the print is very cool. These are super lightly worn. Like there's no heel drag, no star loss, just a little bit of wear on the insole, and that's basically it. So size 8.5 Dunk High Pro SB Cherry Blossom. A little bit of a damaged box, but that's okay. This is something that hasn't happened in a while. I'm saving the last shoe as a 350. But it's an awesome size. Look at that, size 5. Size 5 Yeezy Boost 350 V2. Wow, okay, cool. All right, this is pretty awesome, actually. Are these DS? Holy cow. Okay, these aren't dead stock, but good gravy, are they super close. We got a pair of breads. This outsole looks pristine. There's no drag on the heel whatsoever. No discoloration on the boost by the forefoot or the heel. The insole, no letters are lost. And this is a size 5. This is definitely a good get. Regardless of if you like Yeezys or not, this has pretty awesome value. This is probably well over 75%. No, it's probably like 75 to 80% of the value of the entire box, because this, in this size too, these have to be going for at least $750. Will I get $750 for them? Probably not, because Yeezys just consistently go down in value over time. But in this condition, this is a really good thing to get. So size 5, Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in the bread colorway from 2016, 17, I don't even know anymore, I don't really care. And that is a $1,225 Sole Supremacy beater box. I dig it. Let's take a look at the numbers. Break it down! Cool. So this box had 9 pairs. All but one have the original box, and they're all awesome sizes. Like, the sizes are phenomenal in my opinion. So yeah, this is a good box. Remember to go down below into the video description, find Swazy's channel, watch his video that he's releasing today, and enter for the giveaway, because why not? Also, website update today at 6 o'clock p.m. SBmitch.com, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All these shoes will be available for purchase unless someone else gets them on GOAT. And also, flying under the radar, guess what else releases at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time? Your boy got t-shirts made. These are releasing today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the website, SBmitch.com. You can see the logo, SBmitch on the front, a little bit of a pancake on the back. These were screen printed actually, by a buddy of mine. There's a screen printing company, Empire Printing, North Carolina. You can find the link for them in the video description also, but very excited about these. Very limited quantities. I am going to be restocking soon, but yeah, these are going to be live at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. They will be available with worldwide shipping, so if you're anywhere in the world, I will be able to ship to you. It will cost a little bit extra. It's just how it goes, but you can buy it if you want. If you don't want to, that's totally cool too. I just had so many people that are like, make t-shirts, because I want to wear a t-shirt that has your name on it for whatever reason. But yeah, very exciting. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Remember to go to Swazy's channel, subscribe, and enter the giveaway for a $350 Sole Supremacy beater box on us. So do that. Have a great rest of your day. I will see you soon. Until next time, take care of each other, and remember, make it fun, because shoes are supposed to be fun. Bye!